And if you guys are wondering what you can do with the extra pie dough, you can take some cinnamon and the cookie sheets, and then obviously there's dough, and then take some cinnamon, and then sprinkle onto the dough. I'm gonna put this back in here, and then kind of knead the cinnamon into the dough. Or if you want, you can take some of the cinnamon, put it onto the table, and then knead it that way. And then you can bake in the oven until it's golden brown, and you can choose whatever temperature you want it to be at. Okay, and then it should look something like this. And with this, you can really add all the cinnamon you want. Cinnamon all the way, and then we're going to take the cookie sheet, and then we're going to take this dough, form it into circles like this, so they're bite-sized, and put them onto the cookie sheet. And you can really make them any size you want them to be.